Check out this new 2011 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, SLE Preferred Equipment Group, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SpeedFlex fuel with active fuel management, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, PowerTech package, tires, P265/70R17 on off-road, Blackwall, audio system, FM stereo with MP3 compatible 6-disc CD player, license plate bracket, front and the suspension package, off-road. Call 843-815-1501 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.